Strong national and international participation.
Larkana report Dilbar Shahid. The press spokesperson of Shahid Mohatma Benazir Bhutto Medical University, Larkana, in a press statement informed that the Directorate of ORIC, Shahid Mohatma Benazir Bhutto Medical University Larkana, in collaboration with the Higher Education Commission, University of Lahore and Bakai University, Karachi, organized a two-day research conference on emerging trends in the health sector titled Sindh Health Initiative and Innovations, Bridging Communities and Policies for a Healthier Future. The inauguration of the two-day research conference on its first day was performed by Mr. Jamil Ahmed Sumro, MPA. The conference was held under the patronage of the Vice-Chancellor Professor Dr. Nusrat Shah. On this occasion, the Vice-Chancellor stated that the university has been made self-reliant in research and positioned alongside leading universities of the world. She further said that organizing such academic and research conferences plays a vital role in benefiting the community. Addressing the inaugural ceremony, Mr. Jamil Ahmed Sumru said that the university established in the name of Shahid Mohatma Benazir Bhutto is providing better health services to the community. And it is gratifying to see that the institution has made its mark in the field of health-related research. Director ORIC Dr. Mir Hassan Khoso stated that the objective of the conference is to promote research collaboration and create new opportunities for students. The conference chairperson, Professor Dr. Alam Ibrahim Siddiq, welcomed the guests. The ceremony was attended by guests of honor including Professor Dr. Nigas Shah, Pro-Vice Chancellor Jinnah Sindh Medical University Karachi, Professor Dr. Naik Muhammad Sheikh, Vice Chancellor University of Larkana, while the international delegates included Professor Dr. Yoshiaki Takaya, Japan, Professor Dr. Shatriya Ismail, Malaysia, Professor Dr. Wan Rosli, Wan Ishaq, Malaysia, Professor Dr. Yan Peng, China, Dr. Nick Ahmad Zukai, Malaysia, and Professor Dr. Haslina Ahmad, Malaysia, who shared their expert knowledge and experience with the participants. During the inaugural session, Professor Ali Haider Baloch presented the vote of thanks. Throughout the conference, keynote sessions, research paper presentations, and panel discussions were held, focusing on modern health technologies, public health challenges, and policy development. A large number of international delegates, faculty members from various universities across the country, deans of all faculties of Shahid Mohatma Benazir Bhutto Medical University Larkana, faculty officers and students participated in the conference.
ये भी दिल से ही लिखा हुआ है मेरे दिल से ही है बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर
Member of Sindh Assembly from Larkana and advisor to Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. Our esteemed delegates, distinguished